Hey guys, so hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my kind of first Christmas video. I'm excited about it. So all the new like Christmas sets and Christmas everything has been coming out at Sephora and Ulta the past few weeks, and I've picked up a few things, and I just kind of wanted to do a video talking about some of the gift sets that are under $25 that you could pick up that are perfect for like stocking stuffers, or just like if you want to pick up one more like small gift if you'd already bought like quite a few things and you just wanted like one more thing. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Don't forget to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button on this video, and don't forget to subscribe down below to become a part of my fam jam. And if you are a part of my fam jam, go ahead and comment down below saying hashtag fam jam. That way I will know. And I don't know, be fun just to see the hashtag thrown around. Anyways guys, so I've got my Sephora bag here, and so we're going to be talking about things that are, I've got my notepad back here, that are $25 and under. So first up is, I got this Bite Beauty Agave Treat Trio. It comes with 3 of the agave lip masks in here. Now I have the agave full-size mask and maple, and I'm obsessed with it. Legit, it smells amazing, and I put it on at night before I go to bed. And in this little set it comes with the candy cane, maple, and then just the natural scent, and it comes in this really cute little Bite Beauty tin. And here are the masks, the 3 little agave lip masks inside. And this set costs $20, so you get 3 of them. And they're really, this is a good size. Like, the full-size one is quite a bit bigger than this, and it's going to take me a long time to use it up. So I'm excited to have another maple one because it's my favorite. That way I can keep like this one in my car, and I always keep the other one, or the one I have right now, right beside my bed by my nightstand because I apply it just every night. So this is a neat little gift idea. Next up is this fresh sugar carry-on little kit. It comes with the Sugar Caramel Hydrating Lip Balm, the Sugar Honey Tinted Lip Treatment with sunscreen of SPF 15 in it, and then the Sugar Lip Treatment Advanced Therapy. It comes with those 3 inside, and this one is $24 right here. We'll go ahead and open it up, and I will kind of show you guys what it kind of looks like. So here is this one. This is the Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment one. And then this one is the Sugar Honey. This is the tinted lip treatment one with the SPF of 15 in it. And then this is the Fresh Sugar, the Caramel Lip Balm. And you guys, this one smells, it smells amazing. I actually smelled this in stores because I was like kind of just curious of what it smelled like. And I was like, I'm going to smell the full size one before I buy this. And it smells really good. And I had never tried any of the like fresh products, so I was kind of wanting to pick this up just to be able to get a good like, be able to sample 3 products. And this one, like I said, is $24. Alright, next up, for anyone who is into skincare, I picked up this Tatcha Pore Perfecting Moisturizer and Cleanser. This set here is $25. So you get the water cream and the deep cleanser, which I will go ahead and show you guys what it kind of looks like. So here is the deep cleanser. It just comes out like that. You gotta squeeze it. It smells like oh, what does it smell like? Kind of like aloe vera. Just smells really clean. Oh, and here's what that looks like. This is the water cream. So this is a really good little set. I personally have never tried out anything from Tatcha, and that is kind of why I wanted to pick up this little set. So moving on to this 3-piece metallic liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. You get 3 long wear high pigment metallic liquid lip colors. You get Blizzard, Phantom, and Mai Tai. So I will go ahead and swatch these for you guys. I saw this little set and I thought they were just so cute, and this ABH set is $25. So the first one I will swatch is Blizzard. I think this one would be really pretty as like a topper. There's that one swatched. Next one I will swatch is Phantom. This is a really pretty red shade, which is a shimmer shade. So pretty. And then the next one is called Mai Tai. There is that one swatched. So pretty. I think this is a really good steal for 3 Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks. And they're all really pretty for the holidays. You got those really cute holiday colors in there. You got the red, the gold, and then that really pretty lip topper shade Blizzard. So $25 for 3 of these I think is a pretty good deal. Alright, next up is this Mystery Sweet Surprise Beauty Blender. It is $20. So you can, so on the back it shows you that it's a mystery. So you either can get an original one, which is an 11 of 24 chances. The Joy, which is 6 out of 24. Chill, which is like the green color, which is 6 out of 24. And then a rare mystery one, which is 1 out of 24. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And it looks like this, and the inside is like all sprinkles. I think that is so cute. This thing is like really hard to open. I got a pink one. That's okay. I was really wanting the green one, and then you get the Beauty Blender cleaner, and I've never tried out this cleaner, so I kind of wanted to try that out as well. And I really wanted the green one. That's okay. So this is kind of a cute like little fun thing. You could put in a stocking stuffer. I think this is just really cute for $20. And then last but not least, I had to mention this Laura Mercier setting powder. It's limited edition. It is, sorry, that's the front of the box. It is not $25. This is actually $42. But you get the Laura Mercier powder puff. Could not think there for a minute. And then you get the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which I have not tried the Mercier setting powder yet, and I've been wanting to, but y'all, look at this packaging. Is that not just beautiful? So beautiful. I just love the gold detailing, and then inside, of course, is the sifter. So this is really pretty, something really fun to pick up for the holidays, and plus it's limited edition. So I would recommend picking this one up if you've not picked up the actual Mercier powder before. So that is the last thing I'm going to talk about today. So, excuse me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop me a comment down below if you want me to do another video about this, of maybe gifts of like $10 and under. I would totally do that for you guys. And yeah, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.